Gold is sitting at one of the most important levels before Monday's market opens. Will buyers take control and push gold back above 4,100? Or are sellers getting ready for another big drop below 4,000? In today's video, I'll show you the exact support and resistance levels, explain both bullish and bearish scenarios, and share the trading roadmap for Monday. Stay until the end because I'll also reveal the key level that could decide the entire trading session. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we post daily gold market analysis using simple price action that anyone can understand. If you enjoy these videos, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next market update. Let's start by looking at the bigger picture. Gold recently made a strong rally and reached the area around 4,150 to 4,160. After touching that zone, sellers entered the market aggressively. Since then, we've seen lower highs and lower lows, which tells us the short-term momentum has shifted toward the sellers. However, as price approached the 4,040 to 4,050 area, the selling pressure started to slow down. This tells us buyers are beginning to defend this zone. Right now, the market is sitting between buyers and sellers. This means Monday could be the day when gold chooses its next direction. Let's understand the market structure. Every time buyers pushed the price higher, sellers came back stronger. Notice how the recent highs are getting lower. That tells us the bears are still controlling the short-term trend. But notice something interesting. Price is no longer falling quickly. Instead, candles are becoming smaller and the market is moving sideways. This usually means one thing. The market is preparing for its next breakout. Now let's talk about resistance. The first important resistance is around 4,060. This level rejected price multiple times. If buyers manage to break above 4,060 with strong bullish candles and volume, the next target becomes 4,080. Above 4,080, the next resistance sits around 4,100. If momentum remains strong, gold could continue climbing toward 4,120 and even retest the previous high around 4,150 to 4,160. Now let's look underneath the market. The first support sits around 4,040. Buyers have already defended this area. But if sellers break below this level, we could quickly see price falling toward 4,025. Below that comes the psychological level at 4,000. If 4,000 fails, then 3,980 becomes the next major support. That's why this area is extremely important for Monday. Here's the bullish roadmap. If gold opens above 4,040 and buyers push through 4,060, that would be the first sign of strength. A clean breakout above 4,060 increases the probability of reaching 4,080. If buyers continue controlling the market, the next destination becomes 4,100. From there, momentum traders could push price toward 4,120. The strongest target for buyers would be a retest of the previous high near 4,150. Now let's prepare for the bearish scenario. If gold cannot break above 4,060 and sellers reject the price again, we could see another wave of selling. A confirmed break below 4,040 opens the door toward 4,025. If sellers remain strong, gold may continue falling to 4,000. Breaking below 4,000 would likely increase bearish momentum toward 3,980. Here's how I would approach Monday's market. I won't trade inside the middle of the range. Instead, I'll wait for confirmation. If buyers break above resistance, I'll look for buying opportunities. If sellers break below support, I'll look for selling opportunities. Remember, patience is one of the most profitable trading strategies. If you're new to trading, think of the market like a house. The resistance is the ceiling, the support is the floor. If the ceiling breaks, price can move higher. If the floor breaks, price falls to the next level. That's exactly what's happening with gold right now. We're waiting to see whether buyers break the ceiling or sellers break the floor. My overall view is that gold is currently in a decision zone. As long as price remains above 4,040, buyers still have a chance to push toward 4,080 and 4,100. However, if 4,040 breaks with strong momentum, sellers could take control and drive the market toward 4,000. Monday's opening session will likely provide the first clue about which direction gold wants to move. That's my complete gold forecast for Monday, July 27th, 2026. If this analysis helped you understand the market, please support the channel by hitting the like button and subscribing. It really helps the channel grow and allows me to continue posting free daily market analysis. I also want to hear your opinion. Do you think gold will break above 4,060 or will it fall below 4,040? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Trade safely, manage your risk, and I'll see you in the next gold market update.